it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick.
Hey guys, what's going on? Brand new video, and this video is actually going to be fun because I got suggested from a YouTuber on my channel that I should make a video on how to get GTA 5 cracked working with online. So that's really interesting. I thought that I could make a video for you guys and do it. So it's really simple for you guys. Before we do start the video, go ahead and subscribe, guys, if you guys are enjoying the content and all those mod menus on GTA. I know I am, so go ahead and subscribe. Like this video if it did help, and comment down if you guys are having any problems. But further ado, let's get on with the video, and let's hop on Chrome. And this is what you guys are going to need: Utorrent. I think most of you guys are familiar with Utorrent. If you guys don't know what Utorrent is, it's basically just to download cracked files, like as we said, GTA that's not paid. Anything that's not paid, that's on Steam or whatever game you want, will let you download it on here, Utorrent. So that's basically what it is. So go ahead and download it real quick. On your Chrome or whatever browser you're using. It'll download in the left corner here. Go ahead and run the installer and put it to your desktop. Mine's right here, as you guys can see, right there. So I'm going to go ahead and open mine up, and this is what it should show you guys right here. I got the pro version, but the free one is the same, don't worry you guys. But go ahead and minimize that out. Go back on your Chrome and go to Skid Row. Now, I'm going to have both these links down in the description if you guys want the Utorrent link and the Skid Row reloaded. Now, this is the website you're going to get GTA 5 on. So here it is. It's going to give you up the home menu right here. And just go ahead and type into the search Grand Theft Auto. We go ahead and search. And there we go. It gives us Grand Theft Auto 5. Now, here we go, guys. Read the repack version 1.41 multi I-11. Now, I know it does say 1.41, guys. Don't be scared. This does work with the latest version of 1.46. Don't worry, guys. So that's basically it. If you guys want to see it's legit, go ahead and go on the screenshots, whatever you guys want. Go on gameplays. It'll show you info. If you guys need any info. So here, this is what we want. Description/download. Now, we're going to pick... when I download something off here, I usually pick torrent right here. So go ahead and click that one. It's going to bring you a zippy share file. Now, this is sometimes what happens. If you don't have the file on the server, go ahead and exit and just try another server. Really simple, guys. See, there's not one of that. Let's go ahead and try the last one. So, yes. Yep, you do have it on here. So, it looks a bit sketchy, guys. Don't worry. It's fully legit, don't worry. Go ahead and press access to download, and we are going to click the file to download, and it's going to download right in the bottom right there, guys. Now, some of those sites, as I said, do look sketchy, but don't worry, guys. Just go ahead and follow instructions, read carefully so you guys don't click any bloatware. But once that's done, it's going to bring you up the Utorrent file right here, the repack. Go ahead and click it. It's going to open up your Utorrent. You can minimize Chrome in the background now. And it's going to have the GTA 5 cp.iso. Now go ahead and click OK. And bang. Now, I'm going to show you an error. If Utorrent does give you an error, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So, it's going to say downloading. Okay, I think mine's okay. Is it okay? So, yep. Okay, yes, it is okay. Mine's okay, but if yours, guys, if your Utorrent says destination error, go ahead and right click or something like that, similar to that destination error because of like the download destination. Go ahead and right click on your download, go down to advanced, go to set download location, and set it wherever you guys want. I usually set it to like a separate folder or something, just to keep it all organized. But that's how to fix it. Go ahead and say select folder, and then cancel out of it. And then go ahead and force start your download again. But that's it, guys. This does work with online. That's the good part. and it works with mod menus. It's exactly what GTA 5 would be on Steam, just a cracked version. But that's it, guys. Very simple, easy. If you guys need more help, comment down below. And again, don't forget to subscribe if you guys did enjoy. Like up this video, and I'm out. Peace.
Yeah.